Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting access. Install or open Notebooklm on your phone and sign in with the Google account that has your documents. Once signed in, grant permission to read Drive files so the app can index content. Then pick 1 to 3 documents you'll test first. PDF, images, or meeting notes are ideal. Make sure each file is under the size limit, otherwise compress or split it. This first action gets you into the workspace and ready to import material immediately. Once you've chosen files, tap Import or Upload and pick them from Drive, Device Storage, or Capture with the camera. Notebooklm will begin indexing. Watch the progress indicator and be patient with larger PDFs because they take longer to parse. While files index, add concise titles and tags so the model can surface relevant passages later. Once indexed, you can ask natural language questions about the content. This middle step is about efficient organization, so retrieval is quick and accurate when you need it. Now you query the notebook. Type or speak clear, specific prompts and include context like page numbers or sections. You'll get concise answers and can refine them with follow-ups. Use that iterative flow to drill into details. When satisfied, export summaries, copy responses, or save results back to Drive for later reference. If something goes wrong, retry uploading the file, confirm the app's Drive permissions, or split very large documents before reindexing. That single troubleshooting tip solves most mobile issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.